Good evening, folks. So now I am doing a Hitapp known as structure Hitapp. So I am in the UI of structure Hitapp. So it is the standard UI. I already explained that this is the link for guideline. You can back to the home screen by pressing this arrow key, and you can report a technical issue if you face any kind of issues here. And this is the name of the Hitapp, and this is your time, which is called lease expiry time. So within this time you have to finish this job, and these are the instructions. So first of all, I always recommend that please and please and please minutely read the guidelines. So the second one, so I am explaining a bit of this structure Hitapp. So you can see that here, if you install this UHRS Chrome extension from the Google Chrome store, you can see these two web pages side by side. So the main thing was of this main goal of this Hitapp is to generate micro answer on Bing search engine. So in Bing search engine, if two pages, like we are user is putting some query, sometimes we can see that sometimes results are shown, sometimes there is a micro answer or a quick answer, like a quick snippet will be displayed whenever we put a certain query. Not all query could generate this quick snippet or quick description or quick answer, which is in Microsoft's term is micro answer. Some of the query generate, some of the query doesn't generate the quick answer. So who is the first president of India? This kind of query will generate micro answer, quick answer. So basically, how this works, why this happens, that some of the query generate micro answer, quick answer, why some of the query doesn't generate any quick answer. So this is the reason that we have to generate micro answer, these two web pages has need to fulfill certain criteria, certain conditions. Like in this page I can see so the question number 1 is, does page 1 provide information about a single entity, value, item or topic? So if you inspect these two pages are from same website, but the topic is different. In this case the topic is this, you can see here. The first topic is in September 07 2021. This is the topic, video. Another is from September 05 2021. So it is another video. So this page contains multiple items, multiple topics. So now I am now my job is to provide this answer. So does page 1, this is the page 1, okay, this is page 1. So I can see that here is a video, and after that it is the second video, and this is third video. So the page is not providing information about a single entity, topic or value or item. It contains multiple items, multiple topic, multiple videos. So for the first page, does page 1 provide information about a single entity, value item of topic? No, obviously no. From my analysis I can say no. It provides multiple entity, so this will be no. If I check this as no, then I don't have to answer all the remaining questions. All the remaining, you can see that all the options are disabled. I can just submit this. I can just press this button, it will be, the job will be submitted. If this page and this page, in this case I can see that multiple topic, but it may happen that it is about a single topic. This page is also about a single topic. In that case it will be yes and it will be yes. The second question is, if these pages provide structured information. Structured information means tabular or listed information. Suppose a news article don't provide you tabular information or objective information, or a forum site, there may be multiple opinions, all are in textual format, not in tabular or listed, not in structure, not the information is not presenting in a structured way. In that case we have to provide our answer as no. No, this page 1 is not providing structured information or not tabular or listed information. If it is providing the listed information, then it will be yes. And whenever as I said that whenever I choose no, remaining options I don't have to fill, all are disabled. So if it is yes, and if it is providing the page 2 is also providing the tabular information or listed information, then I have to provide this answer as yes. Question number 5. Do the two pages present facts about the entities in the same visual format? I can see that this is both of these are from same website and the visual format is same. You can see here the visual format is same. So in this case the visual format is same, so it is yes. Now if it is providing structured information like a list or a tab in tabular format, so whether this format is time sensitive, like is it changes over time, like weather information. Tomorrow's weather is different from today's weather, right? Though it is presented in a tabular format, but it is a time sensitive information. It is changing, keep on changing. Clocks, stocks, e-commerce product description, it keeps on changing. So in that case, yes, it provides time sensitive information. If it is yes, then it will be disabled. If it is no, then I can jump to the question number 7. If both of these pages provides authentic and useful information, authentic information that is not illegal, like the piracy, adult or fraud content, private information, where suppose in this Hitapp I have watched I have observed that some of the criminals details are showing up. So criminals details or some details which are not of who are not giving us any service. So doctors are giving us service, so criminals are not giving us service, right? So it is a private information. Or sometimes back I have encountered another hit where where engineers are uploading private CAD files, CAD files. So this is a private information, right? So they are not providing any service to us, so it will be private information. And meaningless, like ID, version, upload date, download count, or over detailed specification, like some of the pages provide phone specification. over specification. This kind of information is not as useful as is not useful for us. So in that case, if it is useful or if it is legal, then we choose yes. If it is not legal, then you should choose no. If you want to leave a comment that why you are giving this kind of answer, you can leave a comment here. And if any of the pages don't load, like you can press this open in new tab, open in new tab, but after that you see that there is no page or there is a page load error, then you can press this button, page didn't load. So in this case, now I am for this Hitapp, I can see that it is about multiple topics. It is not about a single entity. Both of these pages, multiple videos are there. Also, I can so in this case, does page 1 provide information single entity? I just say no. It provides multiple entity, a value or item topic. So this is the Hitapp, structure Hitapp for micro answers. Hope you understand. If you don't understand or if you have any questions regarding that, you can put your question right under this video in the comment section. If you like this video, press the like button. If you want to share this video, press the share button. And if you want more informative videos like this, you can press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.